Alright, so we have a route over to this way. You might think, well, why isn't that enough? Well, let's take a look at this. If I go ahead and ping from my laptop to the router, it's successful. But if I try to ping all the way across, it's in progress, it fails. Now I can do this in a slower time mode. So I'm going to go ahead and ping. And I'm going to do an auto caption. We're going to watch this play out. So it gets this router. This router knows what the next step. So it's going to send that package onto the next router. So far, so good. And it's going to send it down to that computer. So we got a full connection. But now when the computer tries to talk back, it gets to this router. And this router doesn't have a clue. It doesn't have a static route in it, and it doesn't know how to get back. So it's going to send an error message back to that PC. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And we're going to get this fixed. So we're going to put a static route in here. Again, the previous video we saw that we put a static route and it referred to this router's IP address. And this one we're going to use the interface instead. So I'm going to go to my command line. I'm going to go enable. And the network I want to get to is 192.168.1.0. So I'm going to do config t IP route. It's going to be the exact same what network do I want to get to, 168.1.0 with a 255.255.224 address. And I need to make this a little bit wider. And now, instead of putting in this IP address, I'm just going to say if I take serial 0 out on this router, I'll get to where I want to go. So I'm going to say S0/0. I press enter. Ta-da. If I do an end, show IP route. And I see I have my static route. It's directly connected. And it's going through serial 00. Now, you might think, wait, the other one wasn't directly connected. Let me pull up my other router. You see that this one wasn't directly connected. Basically, this one says in one hop, it's very believable. You'll get to it. The other one said it was a direct connection. So both do about the same thing. And those are static routes. In your lab, like I said, you're going to have to set all these up. And then you're going to have to set one as an IP route where you go into the next router. And another one as an interface route where you're going out an interface.